May 11th, 2016. X tweets the law of attraction. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is basically a principle that states that your thoughts influence your reality, such as good thoughts will bring good events, good outcomes in your life, and bad thoughts will bring bad events and bad outcomes in your life. Does this make sense? Does it make sense that your thoughts would have such a great impact on your reality? Well, X thought so, and I think so as well.
The mind is but a magnet to what you want. You know what I'm saying? The law of attraction, like all the laws of the universe, I studied all the laws of the universe, you know what I'm saying? And I fully apply that.
X was truly in tune with the universe and in tune with how reality worked. He was trying to understand how reality worked and to teach us such artifacts in order to evolve ourselves and make us break the matrix in life and become our full versions. And he was public about such. X also mentions the laws of the universe in a more recent interview that was released in November 2022.
Study your laws of the universe. The law of attraction, the law of abundance, the law of equivalent exchange. Study your laws, the laws of cause and effect, the karmic cycle. Study your laws.
Clearly, X speaking like this would leave a positive impact on the youth. But how do we use this in our own lives? It is cool to hear him talk about such, but the application is what we need. As given in an interview before X passed, X detailed exactly how to control your thoughts, and he gave great ideas in order to make you start thinking on how you can do such and accomplish such in your own life in order to use the law of attraction to its full capabilities.
Don't look at everything else as the problem. Look at yourself and see how you can change yourself to where nothing bothers you, to where you're unbothered about a lot of things, and to where life doesn't exactly affect you in that manner. It's changing your perception that kind of changed the world around you, because it's the small things that we don't appreciate. So in order to appreciate everything, you have to be very, very, very analytical.
X mentions that changing your thoughts will change the world because your own judgment, how you see the world, comes from inside of your brain, comes from how you want to react to situations in your life. If somebody cuts you off in traffic, you can 1, get angry at them and honk your horn, or 2, not let it affect you and realize that somebody may be up to something else in that day. Every situation in your life has multiple reactions, and it is up to you to use your conscious mind to react in such situations to the best of your capabilities. Yes, in life it is hard to always react in such a positive light, but the law of attraction helps motivate you into believing that that positive thought, that positive reaction will have a positive experience come out of such. I want you, the listener to this video, to think about a time in your life where thinking positively helped you. It may be hard, but I know in my own life, there have been certain times where I've wanted to give up, where I went to the gym and I didn't see the positive impact that I wanted to see. But by me continuing going, me continuing believing that I'm on the right path, and that is the path that I belong on, I've been able to manifest in my own life the physique that I want. So many people, so many artists, such as Kanye West, J. Cole, Drake, are very apparent and very transparent about the law of attraction and the usage of such. If you don't take my own word, if you don't take X's own word, take people in your own life that will prove it to you. Or let yourself make a positive impact on your own life. How you look at the situation will impact the outcome truly and forever. On May 25th, 2016, X dropped A Helping Hand, Not a Song. This is a message to his core fans. This is a message to people that actually mess with X. And hidden within this message, he breaks down exactly how to use the law of attraction. For those of you that, I guess, feel misguided or feel, what would the word be? A little bit not in tune with what's going on around you? And you feel confused. You feel like you're just following whatever's in front of you. Here's what I call a helping hand. With whatever you apply your attention to is which direction your life will go in. This is what he was preaching in all of his videos, and this is what I explained earlier in this video. So say for instance, you see money in your life and that's what you want more of. The more you apply your attention towards money is the more it will appear. The more you apply your attention towards bad things in your life, the more they will appear. The more you apply your attention such as to the good things in life, the more it will appear. What you think about on the daily will impact how your life plays out. Remember that. People think that DJ Khaled or people that are successful, maybe people like Kanye or these bigger artists, they seem crazy because of what they display and that they believe it is so simple, but it's literally what it is. So the key to success would be more success. The more you apply your attention towards success, the more you apply your attention to good things around you, the more you apply your attention to things that you want in your life, is the more they will appear. And that's all it is. It's about applying your attention. So now that you have the realization of how it actually works, step into your own life and do it. Not only is the law of attraction one of the most craziest things in this life, so is astral projection. And I've broken down everything that X has said about astral projection in this video linked right here. Go check it out.